what's up guys? John from Linkswell here with another tutorial on our new T-Style XL radio. In this video, we're going to talk about how to connect your Android phone to wireless Android Auto. So let's get at it. Alright guys, we are in our F-150 here with our new T-Style XL 15.6 inch screen installed, and I want to show you real quick how quick and easy it is to get your Android phone paired to your new T-Style XL radio. So 2 steps. I'm going to go ahead and screen record my phone, and I'm screen recording the radio so you guys can get as best of an image as you can. But you're going to do 2 things. First thing you're going to do is you're going to find the Car Auto app. You're going to open up the Car Auto app, and down here on the left corner is where you're going to switch between CarPlay and Android Auto. The one that's got like a C is like the CarPlay one. The 2 arrows is Android Auto. So once we flipped it to Android Auto, the radio knows that we're looking for an Android phone. So we're going to back out of that real quick, hit the home button, and the next step is to now get your phone paired to it via Bluetooth. So we're going to open up the Bluetooth, and then up on the top right corner is our connect icon, and this is where it's going to show all of the optional devices, paired devices and whatnot. And so we're going to go on our phone now. We're going to go into connections, and I have found it's a little easier if you go into connections and you select Android Auto rather than just Bluetooth. Hit connect to car, and then it says down there, it says connect using Android wireless Android Auto, connect using Bluetooth, and now you kind of walk through the same process, pair a car. And now what we're going to be looking for is this number here, this GT6BT99FC. I know we do a really good job of naming our Bluetooth really simple numbers. There is a reason for it, but you can see it right here. We're going to go ahead and we'll select that. It's going to go through its process. We're going to say we want to pair. The radio is going to pair. We're going to allow it to connect to devices. And now you can say, now my phone already popped up to say, hey, go back to the radio. So we're going to go back to Car Auto, and then it's going to start connecting. And then we will have Android Auto connected, as simple as that, right there on the radio. We're going to continue. And then here you're just going to set up the different apps that you want going on, whether you want, what Google apps and stuff. But there it is, guys. Now, I will say this. I didn't say it in the CarPlay video, and I apologize, Apple users, but there is something special about CarPlay and Android Auto on a 15.6 inch screen, guys. Like, every navigation app is 100 times better. Every music app is 100 times better. It is just better. Bigger is better, guys. That is what we know here at Linkswell. That's why we have a 15.6 inch screen. There you go. That's how easy it is to get your Android Auto connected wirelessly to your new T-Style XL. We will see you guys again next video. See you guys.